My name is Cherian Sebastian. I work with OpenText. I'm a system architect and product owner with OpenText. The impact that you have on the strategy, on the decisions which are made with regard to the product. More, you are also solving a customer's problem. So where the customer needs, why and what problem does it solve for him? I mean that was very interesting for me, and that's the reason I thought I would get more closer into the product domain. When I went through the IPL induction, so one of the most important thing which I got is about the syllabus. That was very interesting to me because it was very nimble, it was very precise, and it was very relevant. And that's the foremost reason why the program was chosen. The second thing is the product labs idea that IPL has. So it's more or less by learning by doing rather than learning by listening. So that makes a huge difference, and that's very relevant in today's industry. And the third one is I was told when I discussed with my reference batchmates. So it was also the assignments and the activities which are going on there. So precisely, it's an experience, and that's the reason. These are the three primary reasons that why I chose with this product. Three things which I enjoyed with this classes is primarily, one thing is about coming and attending the classes and getting enlightened every day, every week with new things. So basically, you have a meaningful weekend at the end of the week. So that's first and foremost. The second important thing was about the new habits and new ways of looking at the products, the customers, and the way you read books, learn things. So this is the second thing, your learning experience itself. The third thing is about being part of a class itself. So after career break, you're part of the class, and that is a joyful experience and create a lot of memories. In today's world, learning or materials for learning, there is no dearth about it. But what matters is in today's world is learning by doing, and for that, many a times a framework is required, and you get to know industry practitioners. You have a forum for that. So the framework helps you do everything. So that's why I would recommend you to have come into this program, wherein which you have so much of people with varied amount of opinions about things. They have various perspectives. You get to imbibe a lot of these perspectives. And what happens in corporate life after some time is like you are in your own world. I mean, your world shrinks around you, and this is that world just expands when you are getting part of a particular program or a cohort or an institute. And this is the right place because of all the reasons which I mentioned earlier. It is a well integrated system there. So that's why I would recommend for anyone to join the course.